Hey third grade, this is lesson 20 in module 1. This is our last official lesson in this module. Next week we're going to be moving on to some review, and then we're going to take a test on module 1, and then we're moving into module 2. We're going to be leaving multiplication like this for a little while, and we're going to be going on to some time and measurement in module 2. So I'm going to show you how to do the problem set. I'm going to tell you to go get some help with the homework page if you need help. It's okay. In school, we're going to probably be doing this with partners or together. So get some help. Go find a grown-up and ask them to check over your work before you submit it back to me or your teacher. Number 1, Ted buys 3 books and a magazine at the bookstore. Each book cost $8. A magazine cost $4. So let's take a look at this tape diagram. Here are my magazines. They're each $4. And then down here they're showing me that this is the tape diagram for books. Well, how much is a book? If I go back up here and look, the books were $8. Okay, so I'm going to write that into, and I use green since that's what I highlighted with. I'm going to write that into my books tape diagram. I almost put $4. They're not $4. They're $8 and $8 and $8. So how much are the books? Okay, that's this part of the tape diagram. 8 plus 8 plus 8, 3 groups of 8. The books are $24. Well, now if I think about over here, they're asking me for the whole thing. These books plus this magazine. So I have $24 in books plus the $4 in the magazine means that all together my cost is going to be $28. So now that I looked at and figured it out on my tape diagram, my problems won't be too hard. What is the total cost of the books? Well, we have 8 plus 8 plus 8. We just figured that one out. The total cost of the books is $24. Part B, how much does Ted spend all together? Well, we figured that out too. He's got $4 in magazines and $28 or $24 in books. So all together he spends, can't use that one. He spends $28. Let's look at number 2. Number 2. 7 children share 28 silly bands equally. If you don't know what a silly band is, ask your parents. They might remember the silly band craze. They were bracelets that you wore on your wrists. They were little rubber bracelets, but they were in the shapes of animals. They were a big thing back a while ago. All right, so I have 7 children, and I have 28 silly bands. So if I look at my tape diagram, it's showing me there's 28 altogether. They're asking me to fill in this box and this box. So in my first part of my question, it says, how many silly bands does each child get? Well, there's 28, and I have 7 students. So I'm going to add a silly band into each person until I run out of silly bands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. If you count that up, each person got 4 silly bands. How many silly bands does each child get? They get 4 silly bands. When I'm working with word problems, I should label my answer. And then it says, how many silly bands do 3 children get? Well, how many are these 3 people going to get? I've got 4 plus 4 plus 4. They get 12. So how many silly bands do 3 children get? 12 silly bands for 3 people. Okay, let's look at the second page. Number 3. Let me make my highlighter bigger now. 18 cups are equally packed into 6 boxes. 2 boxes of cups break. How many cups are unbroken? Okay, so I'm going to draw this one out. This one is a little bit tricky. I need to think about what they're telling me. So the first part of my problem tells me that I have 18 cups into 6 boxes. So I'm going to draw the boxes. I'm going to draw my tape diagram. That's what I'm going to use. I have 6 boxes. So there's 3 boxes. Now there's 6 boxes. And I have 18 cups in those boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So if I label my tape diagram, I have 3 cups. All together down here, I have 18 cups. And I have 6 boxes. Okay, that's the first part of my problem, but that's not what they asked me to find. Then it tells me that 2 boxes of cups break. Well, all right, let's break them. This one's broken and this one's broken. Can't use those cups anymore, they're broken. So how many cups are unbroken? How many do I have left in these boxes that are not broken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 cups are not broken. These cups over here, can't count them. Okay, and my last problem. Oop, nope, sorry, I have 5. Number 4, there are 25 blue balloons and 15 red balloons at a party. 5 children are given an equal number of each color balloon. How many blue and red balloons does each child get? Okay, let's think about this one. I need to have 25 blue balloons and 15 red balloons. Well, how many balloons do I have all together? Let's figure that out first. I have 25 blue plus I have 15 red. So all together I have 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 40 balloons all together. And my problem tells me that I have 5 children. So I'm going to draw my tape diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's all the kids at my party. Okay, so I have 5 children, and I have 40 balloons because I had red and blue that I had to add up together. My question is, how many balloons does each child get? Well, at this point, they're kind of all mixed up, so it's not asking me how much individually they each get. How much do they each get if I divide up these 40 balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. How many balloons did each child get? They each got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balloons. I don't need to specifically worry about how many are red and how many are blue, because we told over here how many blue and red balloons does each child get. They put them all together. And my last problem. 27 pears are packaged in bags of 3. 5 bags of pears are sold. How many bags of pears are left? So I have 27 pears, and I have them in bags of 3. So here's where I'm drawing this tape diagram, but I don't know how many bags I have. 1, 2, 3. I put 3 pears in. All right. Well, I got to get to 27. 4, 5, 6. I can make another bag. 7, 8, 9 pears. I can make another bag. 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So I have 9 bags of pears. 5 bags of pears are sold. Sold that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. How many bags of pears are left? 4 bags are left. Like I said, these are kind of tricky to set up, so make sure that you are asking, you are working them out, and you are getting some help before you submit this back to me on your homework page.